Hi students, welcome to Whichcom YouTube channel. So here we are giving you the best career options. So especially for the BPC students or bio students. Okay. So first career option is AIMS. AIMS is the one of the best medical institute where you will get the best opportunities, best facilities, best salaries. So every BPC students dream is to join the AIMS college. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you about the many things about the courses offered, places, number of seats, and especially the fees, the very lowest fees, duration of the courses offered by the AIMS, and everything I am going to exam pattern and everything I am going to give you in detail. So the very much hard work I have paid, I have done. See, you can see the fees only 600 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees tuition fees, and you can check here. Special fees also 960, 480 rupees, and even hostel money also 480 rupees, 240 rupees. So everything I am going to tell you. The only thing I wanted that from you all is just a small like. Do so, like my video and like my channel, subscribe my channel and inform to all your friends so that I can come up with the more videos. I can come up with the more videos. Okay. So let's start one by one. So AIMS College is, I am going to show you the prospectus of the AIMS. Okay. So here this is the in this video I am going to tell you about the BSc paramedical courses. Okay. So one by one I will cover everything. So watch till the last. So AIMS New Delhi, places and courses offered. AIMS New Delhi, Bachelor of Optometry, BSc Honors Medical Technology in Radiotherapy, BSc course in Dental Operating Room Status, room assistant, course in dental hygiene, course in operation theater, and BSc nursing, BSc post basic. Okay. So like that we have another AIMS at Bhubaneswar. It is very near to the Telugu states, Telangana and AP. It is situated in the Orissa. So medical laboratory MLT, BSc operation theater and anesthesia, BSc Medical Technology, and for them the eligibility is just 10 plus 2 intermediate. Eligibility is intermediate or 10 plus 2. Okay. So you can check with Rishikesh. AIMS Rishikesh is having wonderful courses like BSc Anesthesia, BSc Urology, Perfusion Technology, Nuclear Medicine Technology, radiotherapy, sleep laboratory technology, respiratory therapy, neuromonitoring technology, orthopedic technology, medical laboratory technology, dental hygiene, dental operating room assistant, and Bachelor of Optometry. Like that, we have total 9 AIMS. How many AIMS are there? Total 9 AIMS are there, and total number of seats also I am displaying it here. You can check. Bachelor of Optometry, BSc Medical Technology in Radiotherapy, Dental Operating Room Assistant. So all application procedure also I'm going to tell you. So try to be with me for till last. Okay. So medical technology, radiometry, like this, we have the number of seats are displayed here. Okay. Next, let us see the number of seats in the Rishikesh. So these are the courses and their seats. Very few number of seats are there. That means bright job opportunities you will get. So number of seats in the BSc Honors Nursing only for the female candidates. BSc Nursing is only for the female candidates, and there is a 5% reservation with people with disability. Okay. So these are the number of seats. Next, post basic AIMS. So these are the number of seats which is available at New Delhi, and there is a chance that number of seats are going to increase. So coming to the course duration. So first BSc course, Bachelor of Optometry, 3 plus 1, 4 years. Bachelor of Medical Technology in radiography, 3 years. Dental Operating Room Assistant, 3.5 years. Dental Hygiene, 3.5 years. Operation Theatre Technology, 3.5 years. post basic 2 years, and BSc nursing all 7 aims. It is available in the all 7 aims, that is 4 years. Okay. So then BSc course available in AIMS Bhubaneswar. Medical lab technology 3 years, operation theatre anesthesia 3 years, medical technology radiography 3 years, and medical technology radiotherapy MTRT 3 years. Same next course duration for the AIMS in the Rishikesh. So you have so many courses in the AIMS Rishikesh. Anesthesia technology 4 years, urology technology 3 years, and perfusion technology 3+1 4 years. Nuclear medicine technology, wonderful courses like nuclear medical technology, perfusion technology, radiotherapy is normal course, and sleep laboratory technology 3.5. Respiratory therapy is one of the very important course and very useful course for job getting. Neuro monitoring technology 3 years, orthopedic technology 3 years, medical lab technology 3 years, and dental hygiene. This is one of the sophisticated course, and you will get very less opportunities to be a dental hygiene. So try to get this seat. Dental operating room assistant 3.5 years. Okay. So then how you will be selected for this scheme of the competitive exams and procedure for selection. So I request everybody to start from the beginning, and you can go till the last without missing anything, because lot of important information, fee procedure, everything I am going to tell you. Okay. So these are the things we have already done. Now here AIMS New Delhi common for all AIMS. That means BSc nursing is available in all the 7 AIMS. Okay. And number of AIMS are going to be increased. So next to AIMS for New Delhi, they have separate courses. Okay. Separate courses like optometry, BSc medical technology. These are the special courses, and Bhubaneswar some special courses, and maximum number of courses are in the Rishikesh. Okay. These are the courses offered by individual. Okay. Now what is the exam? Common for all AIMS. BSc nursing, if you wanted for 4 years, the question paper will be of the 2 hours duration, and it will be conducted in 4 parts. Okay. Total 4 parts. First part physics, second part chemistry, third part biology, and fourth and very important part general knowledge. All will be MCQ, and distribution marks is total 100 marks, 30 marks physics, 30 marks chemistry, 30 marks biology, and GK 10 marks. Okay. So sorry, 10 questions. Okay. So, sorry, marks only. Okay, next coming to the bachelor in optometry, bachelor in medical technology. For these, there is a good opportunity for math students also, because see, you can check here one paper of 1.5 hour duration consisting of objective type MCQ question for the 30 questions, each subject physics, chemistry, biology, or mathematics. But candidate may either attempt biology part or mathematics part. So those who are from the MPC students can attend mathematics, BPC students can attend biology. Okay. So important dates for application. This will keep on changes for every year, but for this process, basic registration, which is called as a PAAR. Okay, I will give you the website for registration in the description box also. Started on the 12th March, going to close on the 6th April, and the status after you apply, they will check and give you whether accepted or not accepted. That will be ending at the 9th April. Choice of deficiency, if you got any problem, they will give you time from the 9th April to 15th April. Finally, they will accept your status by 20 April, and you can upload your documents on 26th April. Okay. So next generation of code for final registration. Then you have done only basic registration. Final registration will be done from the 27th April to the 13th May. Okay. And starting date, after they confirm your registration, then payment will be only general code for final registration 27th April onwards, and closing date will be same. Okay, 13th May. So So BSc Nursing, for BSc Nursing 19th May, then BSc Nursing with Post Basic and all paramedical courses 20 May. Okay, then last date for submission of the documents 25th May 5 p.m. Then the main exams are going to be here. Hosting or uploading of, they will host or upload the admit card for BSc Nursing 2nd January, so, 2nd June, then hosting of uploading for the BSc Nursing and Paramedical 3rd June. These are tentative, they can change. Okay. So examination will be on the 14th June and BSc Nursing will be 27 June. Post basic for all paramedical 27 June. So apply, and all applicant who have applied earlier and whose basic registration accepted for 2020 are also eligible for generation code for the file registration. Do not require to fill basic registration. Directly they will go for the actual registration. So applicants are required to visit the website that I will tell you. So you can check with the fees detail. Registration fees for registration only 25 rupees. Okay. Then tuition fees for BSc Honors 600, BSc Post Basic only 200, Bachelor of Optometry 300, BSc Medical Technology and Radiology 300. Like this, only 300, 300, 200, that too for 4 years, 2 years, 2 years, 4 years. So this is one of the best opportunity. Prepare well for the examination. Okay. See pot money, that means special money, special fees. BSc Honors Nursing 960, BSc Nursing Post Basic 480, just half of it. Bachelor of Optometry 720, Bachelor of Medical Technology and Radiography 720, Operating Room Assistant 720, Dental Hygiene 720, Operation Theatre Technology 720, and years also mentioned. So then hostel, see very cheapest hostel, 480 rupees for BSc Nursing, for BSc Nursing Post Basic 240 rupees, 4 years and 2 years. Caution money, this is also refundable. If you are making any problem, then this will be deducted. Hostel security 1000 rupees refundable. Okay. So I think all of you understood and already liked my video. If not liked, kindly like it and share it to your friends. See you with the more information and join my Telegram group which came by PC group. Thank you. Bye bye.